Hey Seth, I spoke with Elena this morning about your free custom video, and here it is. My name is Lee Terbianic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hand saying, I like you, Lee. Please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave to you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of our time. First thing I want to go over is content. Now it all has to be unique content and it can't be copied from anywhere or Google will flag your site for plagiarism. You guys need at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be optimized with Google, and as we scroll down you can see you guys maybe have 100 words max on your homepage, so that's hurting you. And another huge red sign I seen when I logged in was that it's not secure. That means you have no site security listing for your website as well, which is a big deal as well. So anyways, the content. So the next thing I did is I went into the organic search. I typed in plumber Pineville NC, and I wanted to see whose website was ranking #1, which is hobbsplumbing.com. So I wanted to see what kind of content he had. So Hobbs Plumbing, this is his Plumbing Pineville Plumber page. It's a location page. But as you can see, he does have some more content than you. Now you got to think Google is only is a bot basically. All it can do is read. So if you don't have content and anything that you can tell Google about your business, then it's not going to know what your business is about, and it won't know what to really rank you for. So the more content, the better. In this world, content is king. But that was content. The next thing I want to do is break down Google for you. Now, Google's broke down into 3 sections. This top section is ads. Companies pay to be up here. It can get very costly if they're not ran effectively. And I see it as a money pit because 9 times out of the 10, the clicks are bogus and you're just paying Google for nothing. When if you're ranking in this section and in this bottom section, this is the GMB section and the organic section, if you're ranking in both of them, there's no need for you to be paying money out the wahoo for ads. But let's touch base on this Google My Business. So I typed in plumber Pineville NC and you are showing up #1, WyattWorks Plumbing, for that keyword. So congrats on that, but we don't know how much you are up by. So a citation is what ranks you in this. So a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in Yellow Star, Yellow Pages, City Star, Yext, even Facebook's known as a directory. But the more of those that you have, along with good reviews and more pictures, maybe keeping up to date with it, adding a picture or 2 a week, Google likes to see that, but that'll maintain this spot up here in this top section. What I like to do is go in and get 200 to 300 citations for your business, so you swamp out the competition, plus that gets your name, address, and phone number in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. Now the third thing I want to talk about is this organic section. Now this has to deal directly with your website. So as you can see, Hobbs Plumbing's in first, so I'm going to take you to this tool I use. It's called Ahrefs, and I put your site in and I put his site in, but this is just showing me your stats. So you have a UR and a DR of 14 and 7. Your UR is your overall page strength, and the DR is the strength of your backlink profile. So you have a 14 and 7. Now, we like these numbers to be as close together as possible, like a 14 and 14 or a 20 and 20. Now these go from 0 to 100, 100 being strongest and 0 being the weakest. So your site doesn't really have much strength or backlinks at the moment, as you can see. Now backlinks are what rank you in this GMB section, or this organic section. A backlink is any other website that links back to your website via hyperlink. And they're not created equal. So picture Pizza Hut giving you a backlink, which would be like a word on their site that people can click on and it would take them to your site. Well, that's not going to transfer a lot of power or anything because you guys are irrelevant. So who would want to go to Pizza Hut to find a plumber? So you want to get sites from other plumbers, backlinks from other plumbers to transfer the power because they're in the same niche and they are more powerful. So like I said, you guys have 10 backlinks coming from 9 referring domains and you're ranking for 20 keywords. So your competition, Hobbs Plumbing, they have a 10 and a 12. A little bit higher strength in their backlink profile, but that's because they have more. They had 82 referring domains giving them 1,000 backlinks. It's not unbeatable. And the best part about this is we can go in and see what backlinks they do have and go and submit all these for your business. We know it's working for them, so it'll work for your business, right? So another thing I wanted to touch base on was the keywords that you're trying to rank for. So you got WyattWorks, that's your actual name. WyattWorks, so here we go. Plumber, Pineville, NC, 30 and 0. That's 30 searches. This is the volume, and this is the keyword difficulty. That's how hard it is to rank. 0 being the easiest, 100 being the hardest. So anywhere from 0 to 5 is pretty easy. That tells me that there's not a lot of websites that have this keyword and that are trying to rank for it. So 30 and where were we? Pineville, Plumber Pineville, 30 and 0. So that's 30 people typing Plumber Pineville NC each month, and that means, and that's a 0. So that means there's not a lot of companies with this keyword in their content. But right now you're in 12th position for that, so you're on the second page. So you're not going to really get any business from that until you hit that first page. Let's see what other ones you have. Plumber Charlotte NC 350, but it's got a 26 KD, so it's a little bit harder to rank. You see, you're on the 89th position. That's 8th or 9th page. Plumber Charlotte NC 124. Charlotte NC Plumbers 150 and 23. So you have a lot of keywords that have to deal with your name directly, but we want to focus on these Plumber Charlotte NC and whatever cities that you go to usually. Whatever services you offer, say you offer hydrojetting, so you would want to look up hydrojetting Charlotte NC. So that's what I would dig in if I did some more advanced research, but I just wanted to give you a rough overview of what I can get into and type of information that I can find out for you. But let's touch base on what we talked about. The first thing that we talked about was content. You guys need at least 1,500 words on your home page to be optimized with Google. You guys have about 100 at the moment. The second thing was citations, which is what ranks you in this GMB section. So I'd like to have 200 to 300 to beat out the competition by a landslide, plus to get your name, address, and phone number in more directories across the web so people can find you when they're looking for your service. And the third thing we spoke about was this organic section down here, which has to deal with your website and the backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route, you want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.